And so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this art supply bag for drawing supplies. So we're just going to unbox it and kind of show you what comes in here. Inside of this is everything you should need as an artist. Here, we're going to go to widescreen. Got a little tag here. Nice. But you've essentially got backpack straps here where you can put this on your back. And of course, this side holds all your stuff. So, you know, if you have really long utensils that need to go down in there, they can fit down in there. And then this closes up and snaps together. You can, of course, undo this zipper, put in your drawings or like some kind of board maybe that would have your drawings in it. You've also got this pouch for whatever you may need. And then another pouch here. This goes all the way to the bottom, so that's good. And then a little pouch up here as well. So you could essentially hopefully get like your stand in here, your papers, your drawing utensils and drawing pencils, and just be able to throw this on your back and you're good to go. You do, of course, also have a normal handle if you want to use that. There we go. That'll do it for this art utensil book bag. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.